Hello, children. Yes, good evening to everyone. Let us start our class within a moment. In this session, we are going to cover Max Miller book for class 4. The chapter that which we are going to cover is shapes around us, children. We'll just wait for one more minute. Let everyone join in the session so that we can begin our class. Thank you so much for joining the session, children. Now we are going to study shapes around us for grade 4. Okay. Within a minute, I am going to start the class. Okay. Please wait for a while. Let me open the presentation so that I can start. Let me confirm that am I clearly audible and visible to you, children? Yes. Thank you so much. Now I am going to start. Please wait for a moment, children. Please wait for a moment. Just a minute. ఏం చప్పట్లు కొట్టినట్టే అనిపించింది ఇందులో ఇట్లా చప్పట్లు కొట్టినట్టే ఇట్లా ఇట్లా కొట్టినట్టు అనిపించింది ఆడియో నుంచి నాకు వినిపించింది Okay, children, sorry for the bit small interruption. So now I'm going to start class 4 Max Mela. The textbook name that which I'm going to start freshly in this session, children. Okay, Max Mela. In the session that I'm going to discuss about a main character and different shapes in the chapter. So now there was a girl whose name was Diksha. Diksha wanted to go a big city during her summer holidays. So Diksha wanted to go for summer holidays during her she want to go for a city during her summer holidays, children. Her father took her to Delhi. Where does she took her? Where does her father took her during summer vacation? To Delhi. Okay. And they visited old, new, interesting monuments like Indian Gate, Qutub Minar, so Safarjaring Tomb, Akshardham, National Museum, Jantar Mantar, and Sansad Bhavan. Yes, children. So the main things that they were covered in Delhi, the oldest monuments. So what are the oldest monuments? Let me know. Yes. If you know any oldest monuments, please let me know in the comment section, children. Now I'm going to write what are the things that she visited during summer vacation. Qutub Minar, okay, as well as Sabdarang Tomb, and also the National Museum also they was visited. They visited National Museum. All the things that she has visited. Children, please give me a minute. There was an emergency call. I'll be talking to them and I'll be back within a moment. Start reading the book. Sounds like it. Hello? అంటే నేను బయటకు వచ్చా అంటే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా అందుకని.
ఆహా! సరే, సరే.
నేను చేస్తాను. ఒక 20 నిమిషాలు ఆగాక చేస్తా.
నాకు ఆ ఫోటోస్ పెట్టమ్మా ఇందాక దిగినట్లే.
నేను దిగినవా లేకపోతే అందరం దిగినవా?
దిగినయి.
అందరు దిగినవి నేను తీయలేదు. నేను విడిగా దిగా టీచర్స్ తో.
వీడితో దిగలేదా నువ్వు అసలు?
హర్షిత్ ఆహా మామూలుగా ఈ రోజు వాళ్ళు ఫోన్ తీసుకుంది అక్కడ స్కూల్ ఫోన్ లో తీశారు.
అవునా?
నా ఫోన్ లో అసలు మేమేం దిగలేదు. Yes, children. Yes, I'm going to start now. Let us directly jump into the main content through the lesson. Try to make the model of the buildings shown here using blocks. What parts of the what parts of the building have you shown in your model? For example, roof, pillars, base, etc. So now the first question answer will be, just tell me what will be your first question answer. So now I'm going to write the answer here. It will be the theoretical question. Yes, sure. Make a sphere like shape, paper with strips. The question number one answer. Okay. So this will be your homework. How you have to do? Start writing it. Imagine that is for 5 marks. You have to imagine and start doing, children. Yes, this is a very important question that was given, children. Please wait, children. There was a power cut. Now I'm doing. What shapes will model this part well? So the second question answer will be the prisms. Triangular prism, square prism, okay, as well as some hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. So coming to that, next pyramids, we are having that these are prisms. Coming to pyramids, what are the pyramids? Let me know. Square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, and triangular pyramid. So triangular pyramid, square pyramid, hexagonal, not hexagonal, pentagonal pyramid. So what is meant by pentagonal pyramid? So the quadrilaters will be some types that I'll be explaining you now only. So The line that which is having only one side, children. Yes. The line that which is having only one side, and it will be called as monomial. No, I'll be explaining you. And the line that which has two sides, it will be binomial. Okay, children. And which is having three sides, it is a trinomial. So one is mono, bi, three is tri, four is quadrilateral, five pentagon, six hexagon, seven heptagon, eight octagon, nine nanogon, ten decagon. So, children, these are not important in this class, but maybe in your upcoming classes, and these are also very important for your higher studies as well, also, children. Okay, but for your clear understanding, I have given you these names. Okay, it's not a big thing. Coming to the third question, so the prisms has done next. Fourth question. What will be the fourth question? Let us see here. How many such faces? How is your model similar to picture of the real building? Eight children. Yes. Prism and I think this is not here much. Third, fourth, fifth question has to be your homework, children. Your homework one. All this have to be done. What would happen if you remove one piece of your model? So the discussion question will be okay. Yes, I've got it, children. I went too much forward. The question number one, let me see. Yes, they have directly gone to the differences. Children, what shape of the face is common to all prisms? Yes, children, please wait. Yes, start doing. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Let me keep the timer as well for you. I'll be giving you 1 minute time. Start doing it. Yes, children, we will do that thing. Apart from that, we'll come to cover before one as well. Let this timer skip. How is your model similar to the picture of the real building? Just tell me. So it is similar to overall structure. What children? Overall structure of an building. So it was similar from the picture to real building. The structure will be some a bit different, and also that the propositions and arrangement will be quite different. What are those children? What are those proportions and arrangements are different. Make sure not to make single mistakes in silly questions, children, like arcs and pillars. So in drawings, we do not like in similar to the picture, they do not have in such a way. Okay, the pillars and all these are quite different. Example pillars. How is it different from real building? Just let me know, children. Detailed craving instructions. Let me go to another slide. Detailed craving instructions, as well as some geometric store, some geometric shapes rather than rocks. Okay. Apart from that, we have done this one. The project work is you have to do. Yes. Project work is your homework. Make sure to do all these things. So I will be explaining you, need not to worry, but I'll explain you here. Project work answer also I'm going to explain here in the class itself. Need not to worry, children. I am giving you the clear and detailed answers. So first thing, houses. Use small boxes. Use small boxes and draw them. Okay. So what is the product? Encourage the learners to observe street carefully and make a model showing the main buildings on the street. So you have to start making an house. And second question, you have to prepare a shops. By seeing the streets, you must prepare some of the project work. So for the shops, what you people will do? It should be colorful. These all are hints, children. I am giving you hints, okay? Not the direct answers. Colorful, what? Colorful and a bit bigger than houses. Basically, shops will be more than houses. Okay. And the third will be school or hospital. It is a public welfare. School or hospital. So it should be in a taller box with a label. And the fourth one will be, tell me, children, street lights. Fifth one will be water tanks. And I've given you five things you must have to draw all this stuff. Okay, children, make sure not to miss any point. Yes, give me a minute. Yes, children. I'm going to start the craft work now. Make a spear like a shape with paper strips. Diksha, has folded open and flattened a box to see what open box look like. So as Diksha opened one of the small box and she was very curious what was inside. So she was very interested what happened at inside the box. So she had opened, she called the net of the box. If you fold along the dotted lines, you will get the box back. So along the dotted lines, the box was informing to Diksha that the box will be normal. Okay. And what we have to do. Basically, box in it will be in the shape of square, children. In which shape? It will be in the form of square. Up to this thing is clear, and also now what is the shape of this one also we have to do, right? Yes, the shapes they have given. For prisms, rectangles or squares are common to all prisms. So rectangles and squares are similar prisms. So this is a very important term, children. Make sure to not to forget what other shape do these prisms have, children. Please let me know. So triangular prism. So here they are asking another types of prisms, triangular prism, square prism as well. Okay. And how many such faces each? Two faces each. For prisms, we have done pyramids. What shape of face is common to all pyramids, children? Triangular faces. Which faces, children? Triangular faces are common to all pyramids. Important. Okay. These are pyramids. These are prisms. Both are different terms. All the triangular faces meet at dash point. At which point, children? All triangles meet at one point. Identify any another shape in which of the other pyramids. So what will be the answer, children? The answer will be triangular base. So the answer will be triangular base. Okay, children. Is cube also a prism? Let me know, children. Yes. Cube is also a prism. What is the difference between prism and pyramid? Let us discuss now. So difference between prism and pyramid. Very important question, children. Prism and pyramid. I am looking to textbook and writing the answers. Pyramid. So the answer here will be that a prism has two identical polygon bases. A prism has two identical polygon bases. So if prism has two identical polygon bases, then what does pyramid has? Then the pyramid, okay, pyramid has one polygon base. So pyramid has one polygon. So the which shape does the prism will be? It is in the rectangular, which faces? Rectangular faces. Which faces, children? Rectangular faces. So, and another thing, so it has only single vertex. Pyramid has only single vertex. So there are so much difference. It will be these type of questions are called differentiation questions. Differentiation questions. So which is this question is also important, children. Make sure not to make any mistakes on this question, which is also very easy question. So now coming to page number 3, I am going to test your knowledge here, children. This is for sure. Okay. The yes, now let us draw what is wrong in it. Shall we draw a cube right now, children? Now I'm going to draw a cube. Wow. Yes. Now we will join. Wait, we'll draw with the same line, children, which looks beautiful. One, two, three, four. So, number of faces we have, let me explain you. One, two, three, four, five, six. So we have six faces. No, 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 not like that. Six inside one we have to count. One, two, three, four, five, six. We have six faces. How many corners? These are six and there are two. Eight corners. And also we have 12 edges. Cuboid also the same thing, but we have to extend it in a rectangular way. 6, 8 and 12. Answer will be 6, 8 and 12. What happened? Triangular pyramid, let us know how it will be. So the triangular pyramid will be in such a way how, let me draw. So children, this is the triangular prism as well. So, sorry children, it's a triangular pyramid. It's an triangular pyramid, children. Let me on teaching more. Otherwise, there will be some issues. Teaching, yes. So it will be the triangular pyramid. So it has four faces. Let me count one, two, three, and four. Am I right? Four faces, four corners. For pyramid, four faces, four corners, and six edges. One, two, three, four, five, six edges. Okay. And for square pyramid, children, you do it as an homework, but I'll write the direct answers. Square prism and triangular prism will be your homework 3, home task. The direct answers I'm going to write. It's not an issue, children. There are five faces and five corners as well as eight edges. For triangular prism, how will it be? Five faces, six corners, and nine edges. So this will be the exact and particular answer. Now let us observe. Take a die, look at the face. So how is the die? How die looks like, children? Let me know. Yes, draw again. What you have to draw again? You have to start drawing the cube again because die looks like same as cube. Okay. Yes, children. Children, please give me a moment. Let me know what's really actually happening. Where is the die that which I've drawn right now? Where has it gone? Maybe. So this will be your homework, children. You try to learn all these things, which are very important. You must learn. Okay, don't waste your time. These are very, very, very important, but I'm giving you yes. Name of the shape. Yes, I'm giving the answer. So one flat is yes. This will be the cone. Eight children. Yes, this will be the cone, and which is having two flat faces, children. It is the cylinder. Okay, remember this is very important. And triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Five flat surfaces, square pyramid. And rectangle also as will come. And here six cuboid. So eight flat faces, then what it will be? Let me know. Octahedron, that which is not important in your grade. You can learn all these stuffs in your higher grades, not now. Okay. So it will be the triangular pyramid, square pyramid, and nine straight edges. Which will be nine straight edges, children? Triangular prism. 12 straight edges. Let me know, which is nothing but Q1 cuboid. So these are 3D shapes. Children, what are 3D shapes? Triangular prism, square prism, triangular pyramid, and square cube and cuboid. So what are 3D shapes? All these are 3D shapes. What are those? All these are 3D shapes. Moving ahead to next one. Let us observe. Nothing but exercise explanation. Yes. So read the question. Take a die. Look at the force that has number 1. The face has 6 opposite to the face numbered 1. What is the face opposite to face number 2? So the actual answer will be for face number 2, the answer will be 5. Okay. Make sure to learn the easiest tricks, children. Face number 3, then the answer will be 4. You may ask how, but the answer will be the answer only. Just try to. It is a trick. Opposite to 4, children, it is 3. As it is 4 and it will be 3, you must have minimum sense. So coming to second question, faces which have common edges with the faces numbered 1, children. So 2, 3, 4, 5 have common edges with face 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5 faces have common edges with the face now. Yes, children. So this will be one answer. And two, three, four, five. Which face has no common edge with face number one? Tell me. Face six because it has no opposite. So face six has no opposite. Remember, children, these are very important. What color is the face is opposite to the yellow? Opposite to the yellow, no, what color is the face opposite to the red face? Blue is the opposite. So, how it will be red face means it should be blue. So, what color face of the opposite yellow? It is the yellow's opposite is green, children. Yes. Sorting the 3D shapes, which is also very important. Please pay attention to me. Children, this is the time to concentrate. Yes, I'm giving more flag symbols as you need to concentrate on my class now. This is the time which where you have to do. So I'll be writing the direct answers. No more discussions in this as it is so easy. All faces look like same. So what is the answer? Cube and sphere. They look like same. Is it yes or no? Of course, obviously they look same. Cuboid. All faces do not look same. Cuboid, sphere, rectangle. All you can write. Shapes with curved edges. Sphere, cone, cylinder. Sphere, cone, and cylinder. So, shapes with straight edges. Straight edges means also square pyramid, rectangular pyramid, triangular prism, square pyramid, pyramid, triangular prism. Shapes with, I'm sorry, shapes with rectangular faces. Let me know. So there are only with rectangular faces, two shapes, none over but cube, cube. Next, coming to next one, shapes with triangular faces. So there will be only one thing, triangular pyramid with only with triangular faces. Moving ahead to next one. Okay, I'll be giving you many of the questions. I am going to give the key children. Remaining thing you must have to do at your homework. In which of the circle did you write triangular prism and write rectangular pyramid and rectangular pyramid? Let us short shapes in another way. Using circles, those on previous page, can you sort shapes into the category shapes with curved and shapes with the flat faces? Yes, it will be very easy. In which circle do you write triangular prism? So this question answer triangular prism and rectangular pyramid go in the intersection and pyramid go in intersection. Go in intersection as they have both rectangular as they have both rectangle and triangular faces as finished. It is very important question that may be appearing in your examination paper for your upcoming PT exam, periodic test examinations. So the thing now we have to do is building with cubes. Now we have to count how many cubes are there. Mm. So these are the cube towers. They have given examples. So what we have to do here? Let me know how many cubes are there in each of the cube tower. So in first cube tower, imagine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28, 29, 30. There are 30 cubes in first tower. Yes. In the second one, there are 66. I'm giving you the direct answer. Understand? There are 66 cubes in second tower. Okay, children. Make sure to count that one. I'm giving you home task 3. Home task 3. Please wait a moment, children. Let me talk to an important call. ఏంది
ఒక తాళం టీ పెడితే అవంట
నాకు కావాలమ్మా ఇప్పుడు
ఎప్పటి తెత్తనట్లేదు
కిందే ఉందిగా
లేదు
కిందే పెట్టాను
పక్కన పెట్టా
పైన పెట్టినా ఇప్పుడు పెట్టాను నేను చూడు చెప్పేది
పక్క మీది ఏమో అరగంట
మా ఎంతసేపు పట్టిద్దంట
ఒక అరగంట పట్టింది ఇది
ఆడ ఉండిద్ది చూడు దాని మీద ఆ, అక్కడ అది వచ్చాను నేను లోపలికి అక్కడ చూడు ఇంక లేకపోతే కిందే పెట్టామంటే అని నేను క్లాస్ చెప్తాను yes children sorry for the little bit interruption so the thing that which we are going to do now is to come back and explaining the exercise for you kids. Make sure not to make any mistakes on silly questions as well. Make sure not to make any silly mistakes in each and every question, children. Yes, I'm going to move ahead. There are still a lot of exercise that have to be done in this chapter. There are 27 pages that which I have completed only 11 pages. Imagine we have to quickly jump into the chapter and we have to wind up the session. Complete the following cubes. So you start doing it. Okay. This thing I am not going to do, children. That thing you have to do, but I am going to show you the, yes, first one they have given, and second one also. Yes, sir. I am going to show you. Draw in this way. If there is any error, please let me know, children. I am unable to draw with the pen tablet in the screen. Please understand. Match the pictures to the descriptions and name the shapes. So now I am going to answer these questions. Please wait for a moment. Let's take 30 seconds break, children. Mhm. Yes, children, please start taking 30 seconds break and we are going to continue our class. Yes, children, I am going to continue. I have five faces, five corners, and eight edges. So, shall we go to the previous table that which we have done? Yes, triangular pyramid. I did not answer this one. Please wait. The table, right? This one will be 4, 5, 5, and 4, 6, 5, 8, 6, and 9. So, moving to this one. So let me explain the question by seeing the textbook. I have five faces, five corners. I have eight edges. One of my faces are square and four of my faces are triangles. So what will be the answer? Tell me. The square pyramid. Observe. 4 plus 4. So the answer will be. So the first question answer will be square pyramid. And the second question answer will be I have a flat face, one curved face, and one edge. So, what will be that, children? Let me know. One flat face, one curved, and one edge. Will be cone as well. I already informed you. So, what will be the third question answer? I have one curved face and I have no edge corners. So, what will be that, children? Sphere. So, what does sphere have? Sphere has one curved surface, but it has no edges or corners. That is the thing. We have only one special in sphere. Coming to fourth question. I have two flat faces, one curved face, and two edges. I have no corners. So, cylinder will be your answer. It has two flat faces and curved faces and one curved face, two edges. It has no corners. Yes, E and F will be your homework. Okay, here the shapes as given by them only. Just try to identify. Yes, children.
ఆ షేప్‌లే ఈ కర్వ్ సెట్టింగ్స్ అయ్యి చూపించినయి ఈ కర్వ్ సెట్టింగ్స్.
యాడ్ నుంచి చూపించా
బొమ్మకి
ఎట్నుంచి ఆ
నాకు
బొమ్మలు కొన్ని వేరు
ఆగండి.
కొన్ని వేరు వేరుగా ఉన్నాయి అందుకని
యాహ్!
రావట్లా చూసా
నువ్వు గీయొచ్చుగా. నువ్వు గీసి ఇది
ఇదిగో
ఆ షేప్ గీసి
ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేస్తా వస్తాయి అవన్నీ
నువ్వు షేప్‌లో అదేంది
అవి
అవన్నీ
అవసరం లేదా ఇదిగోరా ఈ షేప్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ
ఏందో చూపించి
చూపించి
అర్థమైంది.
చెప్తారా
ఇగ షేప్ చూపించి ఇది
చెప్తా
ఈ కర్వ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా
ఆన్ చేయి ఇది 1 అవర్ దాటే ఉంది
అవును. ఎలా చూడు
అదే అరేస్ నేను అరెస్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను
ఆహా!
చెయ్యి.
చెయ్.
కానీ నాకు చూడు ఎట్లా వస్తుంది
అదే చదవలేదు.
మనీ డబ్బు తీసుకోవాలి ఎస్ children but I'll be showing the images practically also. Please wait and pay attention to me. The fifth answer and sixth answer will be your homework, but the direct answer that I'm giving in the class only. So, fifth answer will be triangular prism. Triangular prism. The fifth answer. So, what you are thinking the sixth answer will be? It will be cube or cuboid. Okay, so one it have six faces, 12 edges, and eight corners. So what is the difference between cube and cuboid? Cube will be in square shape, and cuboid will be in rectangle shape. Is the difference is clear, children? And each one is different. How? Discuss. Okay, red sphere. So what is the red sphere is a perfectly round 3D shape. So what is red sphere? You can see here the red sphere is an 3D shape. Now I am going to discuss each and every shape in a detailed manner as this class is about only shapes and around us. So what will be the red sphere? So what does it explain, children? Let me know. It is an perfectly all round 3D shape. So what does it explain? Equidistance. So it explains about equidistant in its center. So equidistance. What is this equidistance? Equal distance. Okay, children. So what is the space of what is the color of I mean what is the shape of sphere? This is the shape of sphere. Shall we move ahead to next one, which is gold cone? I'll be explain you with the proper way. Let me change the color. Yes, right is the perfect. Where are you? Gold means it should be orange. Gold one. So, what are the main characteristics? So, the shape has circular base And what else it has, children? The gold cone has only circular base and it has single point vertex. It has single point vertex. So what does it has? The gold cone has single point vertex and it has circular base and it also has curved surface and flat circular surface. It also has yeah, gold curved surface as well as with surface we have circular surface. Now I am going to draw the diagram of. Okay, children. So this is the shape of gold cone. Okay, children. This is the. It has curved surface. So what does this call? Curved and curved surface. This one. This is also called as circular surface. Okay. Yes. Moving ahead to next one, which is blue triangular pyramid. What is it, children? Blue triangular. Blue triangular pyramid. So we have done two shapes and we have two more left. It has. Now I'm not going to draw any diagrams and I was going running. Now I'm going to run the chapter. Listen very carefully. It has four triangular faces. What does it have? It has four triangular faces. And also, what does it have? Let me know in the comment section. Four vertices and six edges. Okay. So it is also same like how we have drawn like a triangular pyramid. Okay. It's around like that only, but not obviously. I have no time, but I was running, children. Please understand. Remaining one, you have to do homework. I can't tell you all in the same class, and this will be your cube and cubeboard also. Cube I'll explain. Cubeboard you do it as homework, children. Not an issue. Cube I'll be explaining you as it is very easy diagram also. Green cube. Six equal six equal square faces. What does cube have, children? Six equal square faces. And also, what does the cube have, children? Please let me know. Eight vertices. 12 edges. Okay, make sure not to make any mistakes. Avoid all the mistakes, children. And coming to next one. As soon as many questions, I'll be giving you homework only. I don't want to leave you people normally, children. Match the following next to appropriate solids given below. Okay. Now the question number will be 3. See, children, we have done up to now only 3 questions. So first one will be 3, 1, 3, A3, B4, and C1, D2. So A is equal A3, B4, C1, D2, D2. Sorry. So A, C, D can able to make fold the cube children. Nitish cuts up a net on the folds. Here are its pieces. Which solid has the above pieces in its net? So answer me in the comment section if you know the answer, children. So all ACD forms, all A, B, C, D forms and triangular prism. Very important, and it is also done, children. Let us come to when lines meet. It is one also important one. Isha made different corners with with straws. We can say that there are two straws are like two lines that meet at a point. When two lines meet, they create an angle. So is equal to angle. When we see many angles in yoga postures, what happens? There are 7 angles in the house drawing. So how many angles? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There are 7 angles. Okay, children. How many angles are there in this boat drawing? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 angles in boat drawing. Also, let us try for this question also. In this house, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where in this 5 angles. Mark the angles are in the following picture. One, and where else, children? One, two. In this two we have one, two, three. In this three we have. In this how many we have? Only one angle we have. And in it no angle, I think so. Yes, we have. We have one angle, children. So here we have one. This will be three here. And how many angles there? Here also we are having there are 2 angles and this 5 angles. Okay. In scissor, two children. Scissor two, and in tag three, weighing machine. One, and slide. Very important and very easy question to answer as well. Coming ahead to next question. Next question. Where do you see angles in the classroom? Give few examples. So where do you see children? We see angles in notebooks, corners, whiteboard, books, bags, cupboards, etc. This will be your question number two answer. Right angles. So what is meant by right angle, children? Let me know what is meant by right angle. So this is the right angle triangle. Okay. Let us make a paper. I already done this one. No need to make unnecessary things in the classroom. And do not waste that time as well. Children, this one quickly I am going to draw and I'll show you and skip the page. Okay, here it will be like this. Here also. Here it will be like this. Here in such a way. Here in this way. Here just a line. There just a line. So here also it will be this way. Check for the right angles in a book, window, and any other object. This will be your homework, home task. Write the names of objects where you find right angles. This will be also your home task. Yes, now let us do some right angles on the given grid. Okay. If the grid is not given children, I'm going to draw. In this way, you can do. It's not an big work. Make it is your HW7. See, in grade 4 only, it's very nice. Acute and obtuse angles. Which angles? Acute and obtuse angles. So let us know what are they, how do they perform. So this will be also, it can be written in such a way. Acute angles are less than right angle. Then what is meant by right angle? It's greater than 90-degree, right? And also, obtuse angles are more than a right angle. Sorry. Acute angle less than. So then what is meant by obtuse angle? Obtuse, acute less than. Obtuse angle more than 90-degree. Name some objects in classroom which have an acute angle. Children, please let me know which are some acute angles. Scissors, acute angle. Scissors, pen stand, etc. So, children, I am teaching you very important topic, acute and abuse angles. These are very important. Continuously in your higher classes, you are going to learn all these things. Okay. Obtuse angles in compass, you can see all these. Compass, etc. Everywhere you can see children. It's not an issue. Okay. Identify all angles with the following letters. So, here it will be. Here it will be acute. It's less than. Okay. And it will be obtuse greater than. Z will be acute angle only, which is less than. Now, what I am going to do now is whole page is to be done. This whole page you have to do homework. It's an easy shapes with straws. Make a triangle with straws and of different sizes and clay plastic. But here I am going to draw in a normal way. Do it as an activity. Okay. Does the shape of a triangle change? We gently push off an its side? No. It will be no. Wait, children. It will be no. Trace the triangles made with the straws in your notebook. So again, you have to draw a triangle with with straws. Okay, this will be your activity. Activity to be done at your home, children. Yes, make a rectangular shape with straw as this one also you have to do as an activity. What was happened to the angles of the new shape? All these things you understood, you got an clarity. I hope you are able to understand all this stuff. I'm skipping all this. Coming to this one also, I'll show right now. Need not to worry. So this chapter is a very big chapter and as well as interesting also. In this class only you are learning all these things, children, which is helpful to you only. So wait. Draw and triangle, draw and square. So, rectangle. You have to circle, rectangle, square, and this one. Okay. What shapes did you make? One right angle, two right angles, three right angles, all right angles. So, one shape with one right angle, zero shape with one shape. One shape with one right angle, zero shape, two right angle. So, next one, zero shape with three right angles. Two shapes with four right angles. Okay, here are four-sided shapes. In what ways rectangle and square are different from these shapes? So rectangles and squares all right are four right angles. So all these have four right angles, children. Four right angles. Okay, and also while the other shapes having varying angles. Okay, squares additionally have all sides equal. Squares additionally have sides each other are equal. Very important but easy question. So, what is there in this page? Try to make five shaded. So, what is meant by five shaded? I already informed you pentagon. Okay, pentagon. Are these right angles? Does the shape of a pentagon change if we gently push one side? Yes or no? Please let me know if you know the answer. No, these are not right angles. Why it will be? No. Push off one each side. Yes or no? It is no. Yes, it changes shape. Yes, it changes. It's a shape. Also, how does it change the angles, children? Some angles are bigger. Some angles are bigger, obtuse, and some become smaller. So obtuse means how much, and acute means acute less than, see, acute less than 90 degrees. Okay. Obtuse greater than 90 degrees. Make sure not to make any mistakes. So obtuse angles and become smaller acute. Make sure not to make any mistakes. Let us make you can do as homework, home task. Amazing circles. Let us know about the circles, children. It is also an important topic, but can enjoy. But there are 31 slides, which we have done only 24. Let's quickly move, children. It's more than 1 hour that which we are taking. Amazing circles. Take a piece of this is an activity you have to do by your own children. But practically, I will explain to you. No need to worry. Fold your paper into half. Why can't I take? Let me imagine this is only the paper. Let me take the biggest circle. Wow. Yes. Let me also try to do the activity with you. So now what you have to do? You have to draw a line. Fold your paper into half. When we fold it into half, what happens? The measure of the length will increase using the thread. So now you have to measure it. Okay, children. Fold your paper in half in a different way. Crease it well. Open the fold and measure. So you have to measure it. Okay. Open the fold, measure the length. So now you have to create all this length and you have to make it. Okay, children. So the length of an, yes, the length of all the creases are equal or unequal, children. Let me know. Yes, the length of the are equal. Okay. The creases are called diameters of the circle. Yes or no, children? The creases are called yes. Yes. Yes, the creases are called diameter. Measure the length of the creases from the center to the border of a circle. This is called the radius of circle. Yes or no, children? Is it called the radius of a circle? Yes, it is called radius of. Okay. Now coming to the fourth question. That one is also done. Measure the length of the creases. Yes. Here we have to use size of circular paper used. So here circular paper was coming to the fifth question. If there is any relationship between the radius and diameter. No, yes, there was a relationship when we half the circle. See, listen, I'll explain. If this is a circle, half of the portion will be radius. So the one part of a circle will be radius and two parts of a circle is diameter. R plus R is equal to 2R. Nothing but is equal to diameter. Okay, children? Yes, there was a relation. Now let us do fold the circle. Yes, this activity I already explained you. You must have to do. The length of the diameter is diameter means double of the length of radius. Children, I already informed you just now. The length of an diameter is double of the length of radius. A circle is big, can be made easily using a compass. Ask your teacher to help you use compass making the following design. Yes, I'll also help you. Okay, compass is yes, you can draw it here, here, here. But I am not drawing in a proper way. But you can, with children. Yes, you can do it. Look at the carpet design a bit. Mark the center of the radius. So the center of the radius. Circular the design with any color of your choice. This will be your homework. Ask your CTs. I mean, who teaches in your class. This will be your homework. Not homework. It's classwork. Ask your class teacher to help in this. Okay. It's very easy. Not a big one. Shh. Look, all wheels look like equal. Yes or no? All wheels look like equal or not? Acha, wait, children. I'll let you know how this question. The approach of this question will be in different way. Let me tell you. The approach of the question is different. Okay, children. Mark the center of the radius diameter of the circle. So the center. Wait, children. Wait. So this will be the center. So which will be the radius, children? So wait. This will be the radius and hole will be the diameter. Okay. So all wheels look like circle. Name the wheel with the longest radius. Which has longest radius, children? B has longest radius. Shortest radius, children? D has shortest. Longest diameter? Longest diameter. And it will be B and it is also shortest radius and diameter. Identify the hidden shapes and write their names. Children, what are the hidden shapes, children? Please let me know. The hidden shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. This will be your homework. Draw two lines to divide the square into three triangles. Yes, this will. Hmm. Next question. You have to divide it. This is also easy. As I'm unable to draw properly, make sure to adjust. Try to copy what is there in the. This will be yours. Okay. The game. Please wait. Hmm. All the drawing is and yes, children. Make a note of this. The card game is your home class task done by your teacher as an enabling section. Okay. Coming to the last and before last slide, we have three more slides to wind up the session, and we can end the class. Please wait for a moment, children. Please give me a minute. Please wait a moment, children. మీదకి వస్తావేంది ఇక్కడ తీస్తంటే
అసలు నేను కనిపించానారా?
అబ్బే
సరే మేడం. అసలు ఈ మధ్య పట్టించుకొని పడినట్లు పట్టలేదు. నేను రావాలి. అప్పుడంటే రోజు తిరిగేవాళ్ళం.
5 నిమిషాలు సైడ్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది. Yes, yes, children. Sorry for the little bit interruption. Now we'll proceed with our last three pages, and we can quickly wind up our session, and you can take your long. Yes, in this page, Swiggly spiders. Swiggly the spider likes to make the webs different shapes. One day she begins to make the triangular webs. How many triangles are there in her web? Now you have to count the triangles given in the squiggly spiders. Now, will you explain me how many triangles are there in the? There are one, two, three, four, five, six. It's very easy. There are six triangles. Okay. Can she begin a point A and reach back to the same point without walking any wall? Then once trace, trace and show the squiggly path. Okay, children, what you have to do this in this question. If she follow the web, what we have to do? Let us write the sequence of the question. The approach will be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, so on up to 11 and 12. Okay. This will be her approach of the squiggling path. Her brother Viggy made a web using rectangle. How many rectangles can you see in his web? He likes to take one. So, how many triangles you can see? There are six rectangles. Count how many rectangles are there, children? Yes, there are six rectangles as well. He likes to take the walk and at the end day, check if the walls of his web are can be begin at point A and leave from point B without walking on any wall more than once. So let us phrase now what happens now. No wall will be repeated, children. Remember, no wall will be repeated. No wall will be repeated. Now we have to trace the Vigris path. How it will be, let us see. It will be A to right and also down, left, right, and one. So this is the proper sequence of the Swigling's path. Use 5 matchsticks to make 2 triangles, then draw in the space. So in the question they have given that in this session I am unable to take the sticks and I can't do, but practically I am showing you a proper diagram. You make it as homework, home task. You have to use only 5 matchsticks. Okay, this is on task, home task 6, not 6, 6. Yes, and we have moved 2 more matchsticks to form 4 triangles. So now the thing that which we have to do is, please wait children. Yes, you have to use 4 more triangles children. This I am unable to show. Yes children. I've taken more than 1 hour the session as this chapter was very very long children. Make sure to adjust model challenge. Can you make a model of solid shape which has 12 stars and 8 clay balls? Okay, let us see how it works. This is also an activity. Try to do at your home. It's not possible at the session. And we have come to an end. Last page that I'm going to wind up the class children. In this, you have to draw 2D shape and that has less than 5 angles. So easily you can wait children. You can draw triangle. So and here you what you are going to draw, I'll tell you. Which is of an 5 angles. Which has 5 angles. What is that called children? Pentagon. What now you have to do? You have to draw in a proper way. Wait. Yes. Arrange it which has 5 sides. Make the right angles and write the numbers of right angles in each figure. So now the task here is how many right angles are there in the following pictures. Okay, children. So there are 2 right angles, one acute and one obtuse angle. Then what will be that? The shape 14 as given here. One right, 2 obtuse and one acute angle. So what will be that? Shape 2. This you can do as homework, but the direct answers will be given by me. This will be shape 2. 2 obtuse and 2 acute angles and 4 right angles. What are the 4 right angles? Shape 6 will be 4 right angles. See, shape 6. 2 obtuse, 1 acute and 1 right angle. So what will be that? Shape 13. Where is the shape 13? Yes, here. We have 2 obtuse angles. What is meant by, I am explaining once more time, obtuse angles. Obtuse means more than 90 degrees. And what is meant by acute angle children? Less than 90 degree. Yes. So that is the thing, we have come to an end. Within a moment, I am going to wind up the class. Wait children. Okay. Thank you very much for joining the class in time and listening to me. Okay, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me, children. I've nearly explained all the topics in each slide, in each page. I've explained you different shapes as well, children. Make sure not to make any mistakes. Okay. And thank you so much for joining the session. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me now itself. So now I'm going to end the class. Shall I wind up? Yes. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye, children. Take care. God bless you.